Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will tell you about HTML. After watching this video you will be able to design your own web page. In the previous lecture we had discussed about some tags that were used in HTML. Now in this video we will discuss about how we can design a web page. We will design a web page that might look like this. In this web page we have used a tag named as marquee tag. We have also used an image tag, big tag, small tag, audio and video tag, background image tag, and at last we have used an image tag, and inside the image tag there will be an audio tag. So let's begin. I will click on my VS Code editor and click on Explorer and select a file name as myambition.html. Now I will click to go live and our web page will be automatically been opened. Now you can see that our web page is live now. Now I will write the basic syntax that will be HTML. Inside the HTML I will write the head tag. Now inside the head tag I will write the title. For changing the title I will write inside the title will be my web. Now I will gonna save it and refresh it. Now you can see that the title is changed to my web. Now I will write body tag. Inside the body tag I will write h1, and inside h1 I will write use of marquee tag. Now I will gonna save it. Now for using marquee tag we will just write marquee and I will create the behavior, and inside the marquee tag I will write h1, and inside h1 I will write this is marquee, and I will give a direction which will be left, and I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that our heading is coming from right to left. We can change the direction by writing up and save it. Now you can see that the marquee tag is coming from bottom to up. Okay, that's how we will use marquee tag. I will write left and I will gonna save it. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be an image tag. For writing an image tag we will write just image, and inside the image we will write the path of the image. Now I will select an image name as anonymous.png. Now inside the double quotation of src I will write anonymous.png and I will give an alternate name. I will write anonymous and I am gonna save it. Now you can see that the image is too large to see, so I will write height tag, and inside the double quotation I will write 200 and I am gonna save it. Now you can see that our image is comfortable to see. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be background image tag. So writing background image tag, first of all we will write an attribute name as style. Now inside the style I will write body, and I will write the curly brackets. Now inside the curly brackets I will write background image. Now I will write the URL. Now I will select an image which name will be ali.jpg. This is our background image which we will be using. Now inside the URL I will write ali.jpg and I will save it. That's how we will use an background image tag. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be audio and video tag. For using audio tag we will just write audio and we will write the path of our audio. The path of our audio will be kalimba.mp3. I will write kalimba.mp3. Now I will give some controls and I will write autoplay and I will write mute it and I will save it, and I will give the tag for line break and I will save it. Now you can see that when I will unmute it and unpause it, our audio tag is working. Now the next tag that I will discuss will be video tag. For writing video tag, I will write just video, and in the src we will write the path of our video. Our path of our video will be basic of HTML. I will only write basics of HTML 2 dot mkv. Now I will gonna save it. Now you can see that there are no controls and our image is our video is so too large to see. For comfortable view we will just write height, and inside the double quotation I will write 200, and I'm gonna save it. Now I will write controls, and I will write autoplay and mute it, and I'm gonna save it. And for line break I will just write br and save. And when I unmute the video, after watching this video, our video tag is working. That's how we will use the video tag. Now the last tag that I will use will be an image tag, and inside the image tag there will be an audio tag. So let's begin. First of all, we will write the br tag, and we will use an anchor tag which stand for A. When I will click it, href is present, and inside the double quotation I will write the path of our audio, which will be kalimba.mp3. Now inside the A tag I will write image, and inside the src double quotation I will select an image name as 715.jpg. This is our image. Now inside the src double quotation I will write 715.jpg. Now I am gonna save it. Now our image is too large to see, so I will write height, and I will write 200 and save it. Now when I will click this image, our audio will be open. That's how we will use an image tag, and inside the image tag there will be an audio tag. That's now for all. Take care. Goodbye.